One of the powerful features the Mintent has is the ability for you to filter your contents based on the fields and the pick list values that you've set as you populated your creative brief when creating your calendar items. Basically, at this current visual presentation, we're looking at the month of September, and you can see clearly that the calendar has been heavily populated. And so, if you want to see specific maybe themes or campaigns that you've had for the past month or maybe the last 3 months or whatever the case is, you can then access that and clean up your data a little bit more by selecting this views section right over here, by clicking this plus icon, and then selecting which field and which value you want to look at specifically, meaning granularly. So for instance, if you want to look at what's related to a specific theme, let's just say content marketing best practices theme, you will see that there's these contents from your creative brief, from your editorial calendar that has this value set. Now your calendar looks less busy, it's a little bit more focused, and it's looking at specifically that theme that we've selected. Now, what if you want to maybe look at specific content types only, or maybe get further granular with your reporting? Well, the ability to cross-reference fields is what will allow you to do so. And in this case, we're looking at, again, themes that are all related to content marketing best practices. But if you want to cross-reference that to maybe more of a specific content type, what's related to your theme, that's all social LinkedIn, or maybe that's all social tweet, you can then select multiple filters, and then it will allow you to filter your view specifically to cater to your needs. And what if you want to have this view specific all the time instead of loading your editorial calendar right off the bat? You want to jump into this quick filter. Well, if that's the question that you're asking, the easiest way to do that is save this filter view, and we can call this specific theme plus two content types. As an example, you scroll down, you'll see that you have all these fields that you're left with to select. But if everything else looks good, you simply just need to click save. Once that filter is saved, however, pay attention, because when you scroll all the way down, you're now given more permissions. You're given two sets of permissions, actually, one of which allows you to select users that can also view this particular save view. And you can also assign specific users from your organization, whether it's a user or a role, that will have the access and the ability to modify the save view as well. Now, why don't we go back one section and one more, close that, and you'll see that the view that you have currently set is the save view, which is specific theme plus two content types, which is what we just created. If you hit calendar again, you'll see that that filter remains the same. If you want to get out of that filter, simply click the views button again and select this save view that we have, and it will default back to your original editorial calendar. If you want to jump back again to that specific view that we've created, select that, and it will filter the calendar again for you. Now, if you ever come across having the need to delete a save view, simply select that save view, click edit, scroll all the way down and hit delete view, and confirm delete. And there you have it. The calendar will automatically get reverted back to the editorial calendar, which was once your set default view.